You want me to get on your bucker to prove to you that it's a bucker? That cast on your leg shows me. It's okay. Working on stuff in the saddle when there's a problem is working on the symptoms of the problem. So many of the horses that come to our clinic that have horrible problems, by the time that you get their respect and their undivided attention, the problems melt away, right? What I mean by that is, in our society, people don't get hurt on wild horses because there's only a few of us that are off their rocker enough that if we see a horse snarling or you can't even grab his face or it's running and you have to rope it, get the bright idea, let me swing the leg over and ride. So everybody that gets hurt on trained horses. So if you get hurt on a trained horse, that means it either doesn't respect you or it's not paying attention. In either case, it's easy to get in trouble.